Are you looking for a unique, low-maintenance home that is not just another cookie-cutter house? You just found it. Imagine yourself sipping hot coffee in the morning, enjoying the view from your massive rocking chair front porch, or grilling out with friends and family while having dinner on the patio surrounded by trees and privacy. Take a brief stroll on the path in the woods in the backyard, or four-wheel it. The cathedral ceiling in the living room makes it so spacious, while the arched doorways give the house a unique look and feel. Fully renovated in 2018. This home has no carpet, making it a blank canvas. All of the nooks and crannies gives you the opportunity to be creative with your decorating. Bonus, on one side of the house, the yard has been graded and is ready to build a garage or a carport. This house is just off Highway 400 and close to the North Georgia Premium Outlet Malls.